Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ikrata and I will teach you the subject economics. First of all, you should subscribe my channel, like it, share it and comment it. Now move toward the topic. Today my topic is supply. What's happened in supply? First of all, I will tell you about its basic steps of the question. What would we write here? That is an introduction. Then we write the definition of supply. After that, we write the definition of stock. Move toward the next topic, that is law of supply. That is the main step of the question. We form the table and diagram of the law of supply by showing how the supply can move. Now we define the extension and contraction of supply, then the diagram, then the rise and fall, cases of rise and fall, that what's happened in the rise of supply and what's happened in the fall of supply. After that, we conclude our topic. Now move toward the explanation of this topic. First of all, I will tell you about the definition of supply, what's happened in supply. Firstly, we write the introduction, then the introduction, then the definition of supply. Definition of supply is that offered for sale at a specific price in a certain time is called supply. And stock that is not offered for sale but stored in warehouse. And what is law of supply? If the other things remains constant, the quantity supplied as a commodity decreases as a result of an increase in its price, that and vice versa. Now, as you see in the table, then the diagram, how they can move. Now move toward the extension and contraction of supply. Extension: when the price of a commodity increases, the supply increases. That is called the extension of supply. And if we explain the contraction of supply, when the price falls, its supply also decreases. That is the contraction of supply. As I am written both the definitions of extension and contraction of supply, you comes to know that when the price of a commodity increases, supply also increases. When the price falls, then the supply also decrease. That is the contraction of supply. As you see in the table as well as diagram, I would explain by the help of table and diagram. Now I will show you the table and the diagram of both the things, in which you see that how the extension and the contraction can move. The table, that one is the table. Supply price is increasing as well as supply is increasing. Now the rise of supply. Case number 1. What's happened in rise of supply? When the price does not change but the supply increases because of some other cause. Means you have a table. I will show you note the table in which you see that the price remains constant but the supply is increasing. Price is constant and the supply is also increasing. You see the same thing in the table as well as in the diagram, in which the original and the rise, both the lines are mentioned. Now the case 2. If the price decreases but the supply remains constant, means the price is decreasing but the supply constant. Means you see same thing in the table as well as in the diagram, as you see. Now move toward the fall of supply. What's happened in the fall of supply? Case number 1. When the supply of a commodity decreases, not owing to a change in price but owing to the other factors. Now you see that when the price is remains constant but the supply is increasing, you should see this same thing in the table as well as in the diagram. Then line of the original line of the cost and as well as the fall line of the cost, as I would explain you by the help of definition. that the supply is decreasing, not showing on the change in the price, means that the price remains constant. As you see, no, as you see same thing in the diagram. No, I would move toward the case number 2 of the fall in supply. What's happening in case 2? If the price of a commodity increasing but the supply remains constant, that is the case number 2 of the supply, of fall in the supply. As you see that the price is increasing but the supply remains constant. Now move towards the conclusion. It's that's all from my side. As if you need